People are turning $100 into $10,000 with crypto, but others are losing everything overnight. So what's the truth? Is crypto the fastest way to get rich? Or the fastest way to go broke? In this video, I'll explain crypto investing in the simplest way possible. No confusing terms, no hype, just real truth about the risks and rewards, so you can decide smartly. Crypto, or cryptocurrency, is digital money. It's not controlled by banks or governments. The most popular one is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others. Simple explanation. You buy crypto online. Its price goes up and down. You make profit if you sell at higher price. Example. Imagine you bought Bitcoin at $10,000 and sold at $60,000. That's huge profit. Crypto can grow very fast compared to stocks or jobs. Example. Some coins have grown 10 times, even 100 times in a few years.
You don't need a lot of money. You can start with just $10 or $50. Unlike stock market, crypto never sleeps. You can buy or sell anytime. You can earn by staking or holding crypto long term. Prices can go up fast, but also crash fast. Example. A coin can drop 50% in one day. Imagine losing half your money overnight. Many fake coins promise big profits, then disappear. Tip. Always research before investing. Crypto is not a guaranteed income. You can lose everything. Beginners often panic sell when prices drop and regret later. Real life scenario. Story. Let's say Ali invests $100 in a trending coin without research. It crashes and he loses $70. But Ahmed invests $100 in a strong project, holds for 1 year, and makes $300 profit. Lesson. It's not luck, it's strategy. Smart investing strategy, step by step. 1. Start small. Don't risk all your money. 2. Research first. Check project, team, and use case. 3. Avoid hype. If everyone is shouting, "Buy now!" be careful. 4. Think long term. Don't expect instant profit. 5. Use trusted platforms. Avoid unknown apps or websites. Only invest money you can afford to lose. This is the golden rule. Crypto can change your life, but only if you play it smart. Learn, stay patient, and avoid emotional decisions. If you found this helpful, subscribe to AI Cash Engine for more simple money-making guides. Comment crypto if you want a step-by-step guide to start investing.